everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete a Lyft account. Now to do that, first thing is you need to open the Lyft application that you have downloaded on your phone device. Tap open Lyft and then you will need to get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you are logged in into the account, what you need to do is you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left. Tap that. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to tap on help. Tap that help option. In the help section, you need to go and tap on profile and account. You tap that. And in the profile and account, you tap on the edit profile or account on the top. Tap on it. Once you're at the edit profile or account, you will have the option of delete my account at the end. You tap on delete my account. This will direct you to this page where you need to know that if you request to delete your Lyft data, the account data will be permanently deleted and you will not be able to recover them. You need to request to delete your Lyft account and this will be applied to your both rider or the driver account. Now here you tap on how to delete your Lyft account, tap that, then you will see the information in here. Delete my account, tap that. This will direct you to the another page where you need to log in first. So provide your country code, choose the country code. Now type in the number, then tap on continue with phone. You can also use Google for your account login. Now wait for the verification code that will be sent to you. Once that is done, you copy the code and paste it over here. Then tap on next. Now you need to tap on I agree over here. This will give you the option to download or delete your info. If you want to download the file and the data from your Lyft account, you can tap on the option download data and tap on start. But you do not want that and you just want to delete your account, you need to tap on start on second option. This will begin the process to delete your Lyft account. Tap on start. Tell us why you're leaving. So tap on drop down menu and from here you need to choose the reason. Tap that. Then tap on next. Please type the word delete below to confirm. Type delete over here, then tap on delete account. With that, the account deletion process has been done. Hope this video was useful on how you can delete your account of Lyft. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.